Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. Today, I was going to hit y'all with a video that was kind of discussing like some prices and some shoes, things going up right now. Because the bike airs, y'all better be buying those. I mean, they're starting to get limited again on StockX to that point where some only have like, 16, 15 left type thing. And the drop ain't happening no more. But that's aside from the point. Today, what we're getting into is, again, the Safari Olympics SB Dunk Low, which is dropping very, very soon. I believe it is next month. Some skate shops, have already gotten them. But I just want to show you all this pair again. It's mainly going to be an on-feet video. This is just my personal pair, so it's got them like this, out the box, all that. But yeah, we will get into reviewing this sneaker right here, giving y'all an on-foot look and letting y'all know if these are clean. They're clean. I'll say these are clean on feet. I originally did not like them. I put them on feet and I like them. So it works like that sometimes. If you guys want more content like this, though, feel free to subscribe and like down below. And let's try and hit 200 likes on this video. Again, basic goal. Don't forget to also check us out down below at Resale Vision. Stop overpaying for your kicks. You can see some of the recent ones we've done under market right there. And we do that every single day. Literally, I run giveaways until Discord says I cannot run anymore, which is 20 a day. They literally limit me. So I run them. I stay up until they limit me. Doing deals. And we got more bike airs on the way, so stop sleeping. Maybe I'm the reason the prices are rising. I don't know. I'm buying them all to run on the group. Nah, I'm kidding, for real. But maybe. But yeah, see you guys there again if you like deals or source some more for less. And don't forget to check me out on my personal Instagram if you ever want to buy, sell, or trade with me. We had a lot of people tap in recently. Shout out Jumpman Chris for taking the bike airs. A couple other people took some bike airs, some Amani airs. Those are all mailing today. Amani airs tomorrow, though. Bike airs today, though. All right, why don't we just hop into this video right here. So again, I'll give you all a quick little look at these. Again, you guys can see we got kind of this gray suede material, the Safari look, which is going around the toe box. This is actually kind of a durable material. Like, it would scratch like away if you were to skate it, but it's pretty durable if you were just to wear it around, kind of every day. And here's the material that we got right here on the tongue tag. Again, I actually don't know what this is. I probably should know this. But yeah, it actually seems kind of like a durable, weather-resistant type material, so that's actually good. Water would just literally run right off it. And the bright blue laces that I got on my pair right here. So, a couple small details there. The soles on them as well. So, yeah, again, coming very, very soon. I believe this is set for August. And prices are actually pretty low on these right now. If you go check StockX, I mean, you can get your pair for, I think, between a range of like $135 to maybe like 180. Some of the bigger sizes might be a bit more, but like my size right now is like 140 bucks on StockX right now. So I'm like, all right, hey, maybe I'll double up on these if I like them enough. But I think one's just good enough for now, but still pretty nice pair. Overall, like, this is just how I'm rocking them. Like, kind of a little bit of that loose lace look. There is the insoles on them as well. Again, we got kind of this rust orange look. On the inside there is the kind of Nike SB logo and the Zoom Air logo right there as well. So overall, not a bad sneaker. Like, these are really well done, and I definitely want to get into showing y'all again what these look like on feet, because that is the main point of those videos. So why don't we dive into, again, showing y'all again the on feet portion for these right here.
Sticks made a bucket hit.
So ignore my lacing on these. I gotta fix it. As you can see, it's messed up, you know what I mean? But aside from my whack lacing right here, which again I gotta fix, the colorway on these just hits really well. Like, it's kind of a nice overcast day, but I mean, sun, rain, shine, this is just a good colorway to wear, in my opinion. Like, the wearability on these is just, it's there, man. Like, that's what I can say. The wearability is there. Like, it's a very easy colorway to style. In terms of the on-foot look, I mean, I think it's just kind of something simple and easy, and that's usually what people are going for. So something like this, I think, again, will do well over time. Obviously, them being around retail right now is even a little bit surprising to me. I know they're not like the best GRSB, but it's definitely something that shouldn't be just, you know, sitting right at retail already. Like, they ain't even officially released. Like, they're not in sneakers or anything like that. But let me know how y'all are feeling about these ones again. On feet, I think it's just, again, something clean, nice little affordable pair, and one you could just kind of rock every day. You know what I mean? You really wouldn't have to think about it. So I think that's you know, those are the types of things that, again, people like over time. So gray suede's pretty good on them as well. I was stepping in the grass a bit. You can see it didn't really affect them at all. So that's pretty nice. But aside from that, let me know your thoughts on this SB Dunk Low down below, and should be releasing right at the start of August, I believe. But overall, pretty clean pair. So let me know how y'all are feeling about these right here. Again, I think, again, on feet, a lot better. Like, in hand, at first I was just kind of like, you know, I get it, but I'm not really that crazy about them. Actually, you know, putting them on feet and looking at them, they're nice. So, you know, hey, that's my thoughts on it, you know what I mean? But it's a little humid out here, so sorry if my camera also isn't focusing the best, but, you know, can't go wrong with something like this, man. That's what I'll say. So, good pair.
Anyways, guys, hopefully, again, you enjoyed this video. I really just wanted to, again, give y'all an on-foot look. That's the exact point of this video, of this pair right here. So let me know your thoughts. Again, probably one of the better GR SBs this year, in my opinion, because it's not a collaboration or anything, just regular, you know, Nike made, just the SB team. Like, you can see it just says Dunk Low Pro on the tongue tag. So, like, nothing special, you know what I mean? But it still is a really, really nice personal, and one that I definitely think is a little bit different, you know, spicing it up a little bit for the GR pairs. So, again, if you guys like this review, feel free to, again, subscribe and like down below. Let's try to 200 likes on this video. I'd appreciate you guys, appreciate y'all if you would do that. It would mean a lot. And just comment below, let me know your thoughts on the sneaker. Hopefully I see you guys in Resale Vision. Again, if you want to stop over paying for kicks, we'll definitely be doing these at, like, retail since, I mean, they're at, like, retail right now. So I'll definitely get some, run them at retail for people in there. And we're doing, you know, bike airs, tons of other stuff under market right now. I mean, you can just see on the screen, tons of people winning every day, and that is our main goal, to continue to be consistent and get you all the deals. So make sure you guys don't miss out. Join down below there, and if you need any kicks, hit me on my Instagram, man. I do a lot of early pair content, stuff like that. Post some pics of the I'm out of your 4 fossil stone today there, so do not miss out on that, and DM me if you need anything. I'm getting back to my DMs consistently. I apologize if I've not gotten back to you yet. I will. You know, your boys should, I just stay busy, you know what I mean? It's not anything, I'm never trying to, like, avoid anyone. I just stay busy. That is the simple reason I miss a DM sometimes. So yeah, that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys. Let me know how y'all are feeling, again, about the Safari Olympics SB Dunk Low. Clean. That's what I can say. Well done and clean. So I'm putting these on. I'm gonna wear them around today, because why not? So I'm T, and I'll see you all in the next video tomorrow. Don't miss out on that. Peace.